Bruh. Y'all know my thumb is deadly on these hoes. Plot out. Take my harvest bowl and my shears. Let's go to town. Oh, it's raining though. Let me see how long this is gonna last, cause maybe we can wait till it eases up. It's gonna rain for about 48 hours. I'm gonna go put something else on, cause I wanna wear this later. All right, back like we never left. Oh shit. Eek. Eek. I gotta close this up. Got by a spider web just now, so. Ooh, yes. Rain. Get down. My red onions. Rose. This is Walona, appreciating the new digs. Kimberly's triplets. Y'all know how she doing right now. Oh, up and through there. That's as much as anyone can see, so we can still hide when we want and see what we want. This is Pepper. She's doing fairly well. I'm gonna bring her out a little bit more so she can get a little more rainwater. Hazel is happy right here. I'll take these. I didn't bring the bowl, that's what happened. We're gonna cut those off because they're decimated anyway. Here's my new pepper, getting ready to be great. Basil. I'm gonna chop those down and let them build some more and dry them out and let it grow some more. There's Esther, who has a good handful of tomatoes on her. Here's Hazel on either side here, and Amara in the middle. These lamb's quarters. Ooh, one is gone. Is it dead? One is dead. These others are about to die too. I'm gonna just pull them. I have my lamb's quarters indoors, and I also have another one I'm gonna show you. Anyway, my mini sweet orange peppers, string beans. Here is Kimberly. I believe she is blushing. So the fruit gets significantly smaller in a significantly smaller pot, because I believe this is blushing. BB's kids. Let me make sure that there are no, right? This one and these. This looks totally got. I'm gonna jet spray those right now, in fact. Actually, this is a shower, but I'm right up on them. We don't play that. Do those just for good measure, just in case there's something on there that thought about it. Okay, let's move. I'm getting drenched. Here's my cucumbers. Cucumber. I can pick those two little things, two little balls, cucumber balls. Look at that, cucumber balls. Why? Because I let it bunch into itself, thinking that that's just how it was growing, but it needs to stretch out. Here's Joshare. I don't see any more of her flowers popping, but she should be soon. String beans. Kimberly. See how that looks rotten on the bottom? That's just her spreading out. It looked like it was two tomatoes, but it's one tomato and it's just getting really, really big. I've seen a couple of people thinking that their tomatoes have blossom end rot. Sometimes they do. Sometimes you just have a big ass tomato that's preparing to impress you with its size. Crap. Spider-Man's like, that's what I'm here for. Why you ain't using me? Okay, string beans. My carrots are doing amazing around the perimeter. These collards are being a little bit greater. I just need them to go ahead and get taller. But to do that, I gotta harvest these leaves. So I got 4 leaves there ready to harvest. Probably 3 on this one. Sugar beet greens. There's the lamb's quarter I told you was doing so great. One of them. I have 2 indoors as well. My pepper with the first pepper on it. I'm excited. Can't wait till she blushes. Sunny is got flowers on top of flowers, ready for a whole new round of fruit. Flip her around again because we do that now and then. And flipping her, I can get these little handful of fruits that are ready. And freaking eat them. Because they're delicious right after buying. Oh, shit. I forgot I was making breakfast.
You want me to stop your phone from recording or no? You want me to turn your camera off? It's recording?
Okay, let's try this again. Where was I? Oh, we had creme brulee. I was moving pretty fast because it was raining. It's not raining now, but... So anyway, I'm going to take this down now because I know there's a spider web right here. There always is. Anyway, that's the view up there. Hey, Dick. String beans up there. Here's the other creme brulee. I'm using the netting up there to hold that branch. There's a couple of fruit down there. There's the melon. Pretty soon I'm gonna, oh shit. Shit. It's freaking cracked open. Are you freaking kidding me? Look at this shit. It cracked open on its own. Frickety. Okay, so that's a wrap. I think I saw another melon on here. I'm not sure. But anyway. Red onions. Now I have onion goo on my phone. Doggone it. Brick bed. Looking beautiful. There's the well bed. Looking voluptuous. Those are the onions I just harvested. Green onions. Sugar beet greens. Maybe I'll give them all to them. Let them taste my sugar beet greens. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Here's my Swiss chard. I might keep my sugar beet greens for myself. No shade, but just saying. They might have to wait till next year. Here's a creme brulee. She has lots of fruit on her, and they're getting bigger. A few kahunas that can come out today. It's only one okra. See how thin they start out? Let's see. I need to take a picture of that with my regular phone. Verbena is being great. Same over here. Get out the way. Same over here. This is the other sugar beet green. And moringa. I harvested those leaves. Those next leaves will come up. Well bed. See what happens. All this is after a rain though too. You know what I mean? Share. The rain picking back up. I have my 2 amara, one here and one here, along with the green callaloo. I'm gonna come and harvest the green in a second. Edgevarsky, it has a ton of peppers on there, budding up and ready. I think I'm gonna cut those lower leaves. I might be able to just let me see if I can step in here and see how I left myself a path in here. I'm so glad I did. But I need to pull all of these things. This, this, this. I'm gonna pull it slowly and gradually to ensure that I get the root as well. Oh, I forgot the whole reason I went in there. To get those lower leaves. But I got all the weeds up. And by the root. Man, if my hair was out, you would not be able to tell me that it was not getting full of bugs right now. Oh. So I need to come harvest the callaloo. And, oh. So these purple flowers I know to be from the heirloom peas. This cucumber is really kind of doing the most, and that's fine. But what we're gonna have to do is control it a little bit. Let's see what's in here. Just those down there. Oh, there's a little something coming up the top. I hate to reach around here, but it must be done. Ooh. All right, that was the unnecessary most. All right, let me come harvest some of these greens, and I might should cut some of these branches off. Okay, I think that's about it. We're gonna start some harvesting now. So, camera's gonna go. Whew. Okay. This is my amaranth. You can see I chopped it down. Yeah, this is an inch and a quarter thick. But I chopped it down because it was looking just like a big stalk with nothing going on at the top. So I chopped it down. Yeah, all of the branches are filling in this way because this is where the sun is. So I don't even have to spin it around. And I didn't even prune these off the back. They're just, everything just leaning toward the sun. I need to come in and put another couple of cilantro in here. I do have them to place in here. You can see I did prune this back because I think it's high time that the branches start filling out. So just a couple minutes.
I just got a message that said 4:15.
Okay.
Maybe within 20 minutes.
Okay.
Yes, it's on the way.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you. You said 15, 20 minutes?
That's what it said.
Okay.
It said 4:17. 1:13 now.
Okay. Love you. Just taking the big leaves. Go one. Okay. I'm gonna go wash and dry them. Oh, my baby's hungry. Okay. Okay. So the moral of this video is that I'm about to go so crazy, and I need to because I have not dropped one single seed, well, aside from the ones that I just dropped an hour ago, for the fall. And here it is, August. Anyway, here's the Mistress Money tree, It is doing just fine because it needs very little, and that's the only reason it's doing just fine. Because he's been a horrible plant dad. Thank God this is a plant for a horrible plant dad. This is me. I have been a horrible plant mom to this purple sprouting broccoli that I was just trying indoors. But it looks like being a horrible mom is beneficial because this thing is doing great. So great that it's not even standing up. And I should have been put it in a larger pot so that I could get larger leaves to harvest. But I've just been taking a leaf here and there to put on dinner raw and enjoy that. But I'm going to pull this up because in this, I was also considering maybe a tree collard on either side and then a regular one in the middle. But maybe I don't need to have a tree collard inside. So what I'll do is do two regular collards and one tree collard in the middle. That way, if it gets too rambunctious and I decide this is not the setup for a tree collard, I can pull it and either plant it in its own pot or just write that off as a lesson learned. Let me go look at it. It's just like turning green with mold because it got overwatered, and I specifically said that I was going to come and poke holes in it and did not do it. So, put a hole in this side. Oop. Actually, let's put, maybe I will go get the ice pick. After all, I guess Mother Nature showed me